Laptops are dead, or at least they're starting to feel that way. Think about it. People are spending $800, sometimes over $1,000 on a bulky machine that overheats, makes noise, and somehow feels outdated after just a couple of years. The fan kicks in, the battery struggles to survive a full workday, and carrying it around everywhere quickly becomes a hassle. At the same time, tablets have quietly become powerful enough to handle most everyday tasks people actually use laptops for. They're thinner, lighter, completely silent, and often last longer on a single charge. In fact, modern tablets regularly deliver 10 to 14 hours of battery life, while many laptops average around 6 to 10 hours depending on usage. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 tablets that are making traditional laptops look unnecessary. From underrated devices most people ignore to powerful tablets that can replace your laptop entirely. And make sure you stick around because the number 1 pick might completely change how you think about laptops. Let's start with the Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. The Lenovo Tab P12 Pro is one of those devices that flies under the radar, but once you actually use it, you realize how capable it is. The first thing that stands out is the display. It features a 12.6-inch AMOLED screen with a 2.8K resolution and Dolby Vision, and it looks fantastic. Text appears crisp, colors are vibrant, and watching movies or shows feels almost cinematic. Even simple tasks like reading documents, browsing the web, or checking emails feel smoother and more enjoyable than on many budget laptops. Performance is also impressive for a tablet in this category. It's powered by a Snapdragon 8 series processor with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which means multitasking feels effortless. You can open multiple browser tabs, switch between productivity apps, stream music, and the device still stays responsive without overheating or making noise. Many laptops in the same price range struggle to keep up with that level of smoothness, especially when several apps are open at the same time. Battery life is another strong point. The 10,200 mAh battery easily gets through a full day of mixed usage, whether you're working, streaming, or browsing. Lenovo also includes helpful accessories like the Precision Pen 3 and Keyboard Folio, which turn the tablet into a genuine productivity tool. The pen is great for taking notes or marking up documents, while the keyboard makes typing emails or reports comfortable. With its aluminum design and solid build quality, the Tab P12 Pro feels premium and reliable, making it a great option for anyone who wants laptop-like productivity without the book. Next is the Microsoft Surface Go 4, and this is where things start to get really interesting because this tablet runs full Windows 11. Unlike most tablets that rely on mobile operating systems, the Surface Go 4 gives you the same desktop environment you'd find on a traditional computer. That means you can run programs like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Photoshop, Zoom, and Chrome with multiple tabs without needing special mobile versions of those apps. The device features a 10.5-inch Pixel-Sense touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1280, and the display is sharp, bright, and responsive. Even though it's smaller than a typical laptop screen, it still feels comfortable for productivity tasks, especially if you're working on the go. Its compact size also makes it extremely portable, so it's easy to carry around all day, whether you're commuting, studying, or working remotely. Inside, the configuration includes an Intel Core i3 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB SSD, which is similar to what you'd find in many entry-level laptops. The difference is that the Surface Go 4 wakes instantly and operates silently, which makes everyday tasks feel faster and more efficient. Pair it with the type cover keyboard, and it quickly transforms into a small but capable laptop replacement. With support for a stylus as well, it's also great for handwritten notes, sketches, or annotations. For people who want full desktop software in a portable tablet design, the Surface Go 4 offers a surprisingly practical alternative to a traditional laptop. Now, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S12 Ultra, which is where tablets start looking seriously powerful. The first thing you notice is the massive 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. The resolution of 2960 by 1848 makes everything look incredibly sharp, and the high refresh rate keeps scrolling and animations extremely smooth. Whether you're reading documents, browsing social media, or watching movies, the experience feels more immersive than on most laptop screens. Performance is also impressive for a tablet in this category. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, which gives it plenty of power for heavy multitasking. Running split-screen apps, streaming media, video calls, and note-taking feels effortless. The tablet remains fast and responsive even when several apps are open at the same time. One of the biggest advantages of Samsung's tablets is DeX mode, which transforms the interface into a desktop-style environment when you connect a keyboard and mouse. Windows can be resized, apps can run side by side, and multitasking feels very similar to using a laptop. The S Pen also adds extra versatility for note-taking, sketching, or editing documents. With a large 11,200 mAh battery, premium aluminum build, and powerful speakers, the Tab S12 Ultra becomes a versatile device that can easily replace a laptop for many people. Coming in at number 2 is the iPad Pro 12.9-inch with Apple's M4 chip, and this tablet is ridiculously powerful. The display alone makes it stand out. It features a 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with mini LED technology, delivering incredibly bright highlights, deep blacks, and extremely accurate colors. With a resolution of 2732 by 2048 and Apple's 120 Hz ProMotion refresh rate, everything from scrolling through web pages to editing photos feels incredibly smooth. The real magic, however, is the M4 chip inside. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, this processor delivers performance that rivals many high-end laptops. Video editing, graphic design, multitasking between several apps, and running creative tools all feel effortless. Even when multiple browser tabs, streaming apps, and productivity tools are open at once, the device remains incredibly responsive. Accessories help transform the iPad into a full productivity machine. The Magic Keyboard provides an excellent typing experience, while the Apple Pencil is perfect for note-taking, drawing, or document annotation. Battery life usually lasts around 10 to 12 hours, depending on how heavily you use it. With its thin aluminum design and powerful ecosystem of apps, the iPad Pro proves that tablets are no longer just entertainment devices. They can easily handle professional workloads as well. Finally, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Plus, the tablet that really pushes the idea of replacing a laptop. The device features a large Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors, sharp text, and a smooth viewing experience. Whether you're working on documents, watching videos, or browsing the web, everything looks crisp and fluid. Under the hood, it runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, giving it plenty of power for heavy multitasking. Running split-screen apps, streaming media, video calls, and note-taking feels effortless. The tablet remains fast and responsive even when several apps are open at the same time. Like Samsung's other flagship tablets, the DeX mode completely changes the experience. Connect a keyboard, mouse, or monitor, and the interface becomes a desktop-like workspace with resizable windows and true multitasking. The S Pen also adds extra versatility for note-taking, sketching, or editing documents. With a large 11,200 mAh battery, premium aluminum build, and powerful speakers, the Tab S12 Plus becomes a versatile device that can easily replace a laptop for many people. So those were 5 tablets that prove you don't always need a traditional laptop. They're lighter, quieter, and powerful enough to handle most of the things people actually do every day: browsing, streaming, working on documents, video calls, and even creative work. Technology is changing fast, and tablets are no longer just devices for watching videos or playing games. With the right keyboard, stylus, and software, they can easily become full productivity machines that travel with you anywhere. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. Are you still sticking with a laptop, or would you switch to a tablet for your daily work? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.